Hey there, today I have an outlet shopping haul for you. So I recently got back from a trip. I went to the Bay Area and I did some shopping one day. I went to the Gilroy outlet, which is just south of San Francisco, and I did some shopping. So I spent about, I would say 4 hours or so. But the outlet is so huge. It's got, I think, 4 sections and I only hit one. And then I was tired and then I had to eat. But they did have In-N-Out burger, which we don't have in Hawaii, and boy, that place is good, and the burgers are kind of cheap, but they're tasty, so we had that for lunch. But anyway, I did find some things, and you know, I'm very selective, so I didn't think I bought a lot, and I just bought like 1 or 2 items from like each of the stores that I went to, maybe except for Loft. But when you add it all together, it seems like it's a lot. So I got a lot of small packages. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, I think I'll go over it in order of what stores I hit first. So first up, Ann Taylor Factory. So I love Ann Taylor Loft, and actually Ann Taylor is another store that I really do like, but I generally don't shop there as much because I think the clothes is more business-like, and then although I used to be in a more business-like environment, currently I'm in a more casual environment. So I'm able to wear jeans to work every day if I want to, although I do love dresses. But anyway, okay, that was the first store that caught my eye, so I headed off to the Ann Taylor Factory outlet, and when I walked in, I saw these sweaters. So I got this sweater, and it's just a very basic, I know it's not that exciting, but you know, I saw it and I thought, oh, these are cute, and it was like, I think it was 70 or 80% off. It was, okay, $59.99 was the outlet price, and it's just a basic sweater, and I got it for $18. So from $60 to $18. So I thought that was a really good discount. So I got this pink one, and you know, I just think this would be very good, just basic, and you could layer something over it with this. And I also got a navy one, you know? Yeah, I know, and I got a size medium. This is not a petite, but I think it works okay. And since this is kind of like a more fitted look, I didn't want to get it in a small, so that's why I got a medium. But I thought the medium looked nice, and what I liked about these sweaters is it kind of has this little kind of a waist, a defined waist, which I thought was cute. And then also, when you have this, it's almost like a peplum, but not exactly, but I think that kind of hides any belly fat. So yeah, I got 2 of these. And then I did try on a bunch of stuff, and I was really tempted to buy more clothing items, but because that was the first store I was hitting, I didn't want to like just buy too much stuff all at the beginning. So I went and put everything else back, sadly, and then I stood in line. And then what do they have right by the cash register? Jewelry. Yeah, it's my weakness. So I ended up buying some jewelry. So first up was this necklace, and you know what caught my eye? It's different. It has like this kind of almost like marbly look, and I think that's on trend because I've seen it around. So I got this one, and this was $39.99 outlet price, and I got it for $16. So that's not bad. I mean, I think this is really pretty, and I like Ann Taylor costume jewelry. I think it's pretty quality. Okay, so that's good. Okay, I saw these earrings. These are just really basic, and they were $3.88. So wow, $3.88. I thought that's crazy cheap. And the original price on this was $24.99. So $25 earrings for basically under $4. Good deal. And lastly, I got these earrings. These were originally $24.99. See, they're just really basic too. A lot of basic stuff I could wear just with a lot of stuff. And I got these for $12.49, so they were 50% off. Okay, and I also got, and I almost forgot, these earrings. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, I just put them on. And these were also regularly $29.99, and they were $14.99, 50% off. But I thought these were just a kind of a nice, kind of basic, not the most exciting, but I like them, kind of earrings. So yeah, so from Ann Taylor, I got 2 sweaters, 3 pairs of earrings, and a necklace. Okay. I thought I got pretty good deals, and I showed some restraint, except I kind of got hooked in when I was standing in line. Okay, next I went to, where did I go? J.Crew Factory. So first up, I got this shirt. And this is kind of just cute basic shirt. It's a little big, it's a size medium, I know, but I thought it looked okay. And it was, regular price was $49.50, and it was marked down to $24.97, but then they had 50% off their clearance items. So that's where I shopped, clearance in the back. And so I got it for $12.48. So $12.48 for this top from J.Crew Factory. I thought was, that's what Cheryl, my friend, would say is a screaming deal. Okay, and then I also got this t-shirt, and it's just like a muscle tee, and it has a tie. And I like kind of whimsical stuff, so if you look at this print, it's very whimsical, you know, I think. And this one was, again, a size medium. Original outlet price was $32.50. It was marked down to $19.99, but because it was 50% off clearance, I got it for basically under $10, $9.98. So yay. I thought that was a good deal. Okay, and Kaya's trying to get in here, so I have to let the door. Okay, and lastly, I got another pair of earrings. And these, you can see, are kind of that same kind of marbly looking material. And these were regularly $19.50, and I got them for $9.75. A lot of really good deals. I think if you're going to shop J.Crew, honestly, the clearance rack is the way to go, especially if they have additional 50% off. But yeah, so that's what I got from J.Crew Factory. Okay, and next I went to the Loft Outlet. And you know, Loft is one of my favorite stores. So yeah, I think all of the stuff that I got was from clearance, mostly, I think. But the only thing is Loft didn't have additional discount off their clearance. So it was just priced as marked. So that wasn't as exciting. But I still found stuff, and I actually found the most stuff probably from Loft. Maybe I was getting tired. I don't know. Okay, so first off was just this top. And you see this is the back. I thought that was interesting. It has this kind of crisscross going on. And it's just a basic t-shirt top in the front. And this one I got in a size small. And it was only $9.99. So I thought that was a good deal. I'm not sure what the original price is. Let's take a look. Oh, and the original price was $32.99. So $9.99 for this cute top. And I thought this is something I could wear probably on the weekends, you know. Throw it on over like white shorts or something. I think that'd be cute. Next, I also got this top. And I thought this is just very basic in the front, but in the back it has kind of this interesting detail, which I thought was kind of cute, and I don't have anything like it. And it still, I think, covers up the bra, so we're good. And I like the color, and the print is very pretty, floral. And I got this also in a size small. It was $21.99, and the original price was $44.99. So it was about 50% off. Yeah. So I thought, you know, just cute, kind of basic top. Again, probably for the weekend. And next, I saw this shirt, and I was kind of channeling my friend Cheryl because she loves animal print. But what I liked about this print, it's subtle, because I'm not really huge on animal print, and it has pink. So I thought that's cute. It's a very lightweight cotton shirt. I got it in a size medium petite, and the original price, okay, I got it for $18.99, and the original price was $54.99. So yeah, well below 50% off. I thought this would be kind of nice. Just, you can wear it as a shirt, or you could actually wear it as a layering piece. So yeah, very cute, and you could wear it out, you could wear it tucked in, you could wear it tied. I thought it was versatile, and I like to add, I'm trying to add a little more animal print to my wardrobe. Okay, and next I got this blouse, and I thought this was really pretty. It's an eyelet sleeveless with kind of a peplum, and it's fully lined, so I thought it was just a nice quality piece. I got it in a size small, and this was actually $32.99, so it was not a screaming deal, I thought, but I liked it so much I decided to buy it. Okay, the original price was $54.99, so not quite, probably like 40% off, I think. But yeah, I thought this was very pretty, and I love white tops, and I love eyelet. Okay, and lastly I got one more thing. I got a necklace because I love my jewelry, and here I got this necklace. It's just kind of a very basic looking necklace. Let's take it out of the plastic. The original price on this was $29.99. I think it was 40% off. I got it for $17.99. So yeah, not exactly a screaming deal, but that is really gorgeous, I think. Yeah, so I snagged it. I love jewelry. I have a lot, but you know, there's always something you don't have. It's different. So that was all I got from Loft. I got, what did I get? 4 tops and a necklace. Okay, and the last place I went to was BananaRepublicFactory. And this one, you know, I just hit less. I wasn't really gonna go there, but I decided to. We have BananaRepublicFactory at the Waikele Outlet on Oahu. So I thought, well, I wanted to hit the stores that we don't have first, but I do really like that store, so I decided to go. And I tried on a bunch of things, but I was, like I said, I'm being very selective. So I only ended up buying 1 top. And it's just this kind of basic, but kind of easy to wear floral top. And the sign said 50% off, and it was $54.99, so I thought I'd be paying $27 for it. So I thought, okay, or 28, yeah, whatever, $27.50. But when I rung up at the cash register, it came out to $12.37. So I was like, oh, how come it's so cheap? And what happened was, it was the first day of the friends and family sale. So because I have a Gap card, I got an additional 50% off. So I was like, oh man, I should go back and I should buy more stuff. But we were already hungry. It was lunchtime, and I needed to go eat something. So yeah. Okay, so that's everything I got in my extensive outlet haul this time. Yeah, and I guess I only spent 2 hours. It felt like 4, but maybe it was just 2, because I think we got there when it opened, and I'm pretty sure it opened at 10, and then we ate lunch probably about, maybe it was about 1, so maybe it's 3 hours. I don't know. It's a blur. But anyway, that's all I have for today's haul video, and now I'm gonna call Kaya, who's the only one here now because Sammy split, to help me say goodbye. Yeah, and then of course Molly is no longer here because she went back with my daughter. We were just cat sitting this summer, so it's kind of a quiet house. But Kaya's looking at me expectantly because she wants to help me say goodbye. Right, Kaya? Come. Okay, and here is Kaya. And if Kaya were a candy, I don't know, she'd just be like a sugar cube because she is so sweet. And she is just pure, pure sweetness. Aren't you, Kaya? I think so. Yes, yes. She's like my baby. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing and tapping the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.